Hi friends! Welcome to Yemima's review! I just came back from shopping and here's what we're reviewing for today. So for today's episode, I'm gonna review all sweet potato snacks. Yay! So whenever I go to supermarket or convenience store, I keep on spotting sweet potatoes. Maybe because it's transitioning to winter season. So here with us, we have 7 items for me to review. So without further ado, let's start! Ta-da! Here's our first item, KitKat and sweet potato flavor. If you notice, in Japanese packaging, they even make this kind of thing, if you can see it, so it's easier for you to open it. And here that goes. Oh, it has words said to relax and congratulations. And it's the same, relax. Here it is. Oh, it's white. I was hoping it to be purple. Itadakimasu. Let's try. It doesn't taste like sweet potato. It just tastes like vanilla. Well, it just have a little bit taste of sweet potato. Let's move on to our second snack. Let's open this. Ooh. Oh, this smells like vegetables. Like this. Let's eat it. Itadakimasu. First of all, it's really crunchy and I love it. It's easy to eat, a bit savory, but it has a little bit sweetness at the end. Yeah, this is yummy. Ta-da! Look! This is made from Fujiya company, which makes Milky. This chocolate over here, maybe you're familiar with the character. So this is the diagram of the chocolate inside. The most outer part is bitter chocolate. The inside they have sweet potato sauce and sweet potato jelly, whipped cream. So I'm really curious. It's like this. Can you see? And itadakimasu. It is sweet, but the chocolate, the bitterness, it balances it out, so I think it's yummy. Now I'm gonna review 2 at once, cause this one is a drink. Here is Satsumaimo Ore, which is sweet potato latte kind of drink. And here is PRETZ from Glico. So this should be savory because it's PRETZ. So there are 2 ways to open this. Push here and pull. And the next one, push here and pull. So it looks like a pocket or something, yeah? And you can put it here. So this has an opening at the back. Just pull it out. And there you go. Itadakimasu. Yeah, this tastes like sweet potato. It's like salty, but still have a little bit sweetness at the end. Smells like sweet potato. Okay, let's try the drink. This is a straw. I like this one. This is yummy. Like really yummy. It's not too sweet. I'm curious, what's the color of this thing? Is it white? It's vanilla color. So this is actually an ice cream. It's like waffle wrap ice cream. Okay, let's open it. Ta-da! It's cute. Okay, itadakimasu. Yes, this one is good. If you know Korean bungeoppang ice cream, yeah, it tastes like that. So here's what it looks like. It's really yummy. It's a bit melted though. Like, I like the waffle texture also. It has taste. Usually it doesn't have any flavor to it. This one doesn't have a brand. It is just produced by local farmers. Cool. Let's just open it from here. This one tastes legit. It looks like this. It's like the CALBEE just now, but it's completely purple. And it have tiny bits of sugar stuck onto the chips. Let's try it out. This too has kind of a bit similar taste to it, but this is more, you can taste that this is healthy because this has a little bit more flavor to it. This is like more natural kind of product, like your tongue can taste it right away. Yeah. So time to rate the snacks that we tried. Out of all the snacks that I tried, maybe the most lowest one, I can say it was KitKat. It was sweet compared to others. I'm sorry, KitKat. Maybe you're the lowest one out of all this time. And for the highest rating by me on Yemima's review, it goes to both of the Satsumaimo Ore and also KALBEE potato chips. Yay! This one is really good. So if you're in Tokyo or if you're planning to come to Japan is opening up soon, so I'm waiting for you guys. Yes, you can try this out. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this video up until the end. And if you do like this kind of video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And if you want to ask anything, feel free to leave it on the comment section box below. And also, if you want me to review anything else, or if you are curious about anything, or you want to see something, or you want to ask something, feel free to leave it on the comment section box below. And I'll see you again next time. Bye bye.